This is episode 3 of the Spongebob SquarePants themed dessert table. Today I'm showing you how to make the Krabby Patties out of vanilla cupcakes. One thing I was unable to show you because of the memory left in my phone was how I baked the cupcakes. So the cupcakes were just vanilla cupcakes and I added some pearl sprinkles to the top of the cupcake before baking. I made these cupcakes the day before and then cut them in half and decorated them at the actual event. So the frosting choice I have is the dark brown is a chocolate Oreo frosting, followed by just vanilla bean frosting for the remainder of the decorations. As you can see, I'm starting by layering it with the patty, and then we're going to do the cheese, the tomato, and then the lettuce. The good thing about these cupcakes is that they don't have to be super perfect because you're going to put the top on it. You really just want it to look like there's a burger with cheese and tomatoes and lettuce. I ended up doing a total of 60 cupcakes, and I thought they looked extra realistic by adding the cupcake liners to the bottom so it looks like it's the wrapper of the burger. So you're gonna start by adding a dollop of frosting to the cupcake liner, then add the bottom of the cupcake so that it sticks to the cupcake liner. Then you're gonna add a circle of the chocolate around the base of the cupcake liner. Then you're gonna line with yellow frosting. I used a flat tip. Then you're gonna add a red circle around the border and then some green to make it look like leaves. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Once you cover it with the top of the cupcake, it looks just like a Krabby Patty. Now, I do either recommend making these cupcakes at the event or making them the day before and then putting them in the refrigerator so that they can set in place. These cupcakes aren't the best at transporting only because of the way that they're decorated. They can easily slide into each other and smash. So I recommend either making them at the event wherever you're doing your party at, or make them the day before and let them set in the refrigerator so that they are firm and they don't smash against each other during transportation. I also recommend using the cupcakes a day later instead of the same day because they are going to be super soft if you make them the same day, which will possibly crumble when you try and cut the cupcakes in half. And here's how the Krabby Patties came out. They came out super cute, and honestly, these were a hit at the party. This was like the #1 favorite dessert at the party was the Krabby Patties. So now you've seen all the desserts I've made for the SpongeBob SquarePants Bikini Bottom themed dessert table. It all came together so perfectly and everything was budget friendly. So if you haven't checked out the previous videos on how I make the cake or any of the other desserts, definitely check them out and they will be linked below. What do you guys think? Would you guys make this dessert table?